Hi, I'm Kat Allman with Google's Open Source Programs Office. I'm here today with my colleague, Stephanie Taylor. Stephanie manages Google Code-In. It's our contest for younger open source developers. Stephanie, tell us about Google Code-In.
Well, Google Code-In is a contest that's held entirely online, that's global, that is geared towards 13 to 17-year-old pre-university students, so generally high school students, that are interested in learning more about open source software development. We choose 10 open source projects that will act as mentoring organizations that create a list of tasks in a variety of different categories for the students to work on during a 7-week contest. And this year, the contest begins on November 18th, 2013 and goes until January 6th, 2014.
Fantastic. Google Code-In, does this mean it's only coding?
No, with open source software projects, there are a variety of different skill sets needed to make an open source project thrive. So we try to reflect that in the Google Code-In contest. So we have coding tasks, of course, but there are also documentation tasks, training, UI, and a few other different categories that students can choose from.
Great. What kinds of open source projects participate as mentoring organizations?
Well, on November 1st is when we're going to actually announce the 10 open source projects that will be acting as the mentoring organizations for 2013. But generally in the past, we've had disaster relief software projects, we've had graphical desktops, we've had gaming projects, and a variety of operating systems.
So all kinds of things, so that there's different kinds of things to motivate students to get involved. That's
Exactly.
Great. So it's a contest, so there are prizes, but are there benefits beyond cool stuff?
Definitely. Now everyone likes to get a prize, but it's also really fun for the students to actually use the computer science skills that they've learned in school or on their own to actually apply those skills to real-world software projects. So they also get to become part of a community, and being appreciated for their work and their ideas is a huge boost for generally, these teenagers. So it's cool to see your code actually in a project, or to see the film that you recorded describing the open source project actually on screen.
How cool. How does the contest actually work, though?
So starting on November 18th, students actually will go to the contest site, which is google-melage.com, and they can register, and then they can start claiming tasks. There's a huge list of tasks up there that they can choose from, and when they find something that interests them, they just choose it and they start working on it. And if they have any questions along the way, there are mentors that are actually assigned to each of those tasks that are there to help them.
Fantastic. Now, I know I was saying, benefits, but grand prize trip.
Yes, so that is a very popular question. Everybody likes to hear about the grand prize trip. So when students complete one task, they actually will get a certificate of completion. When they complete 3 tasks, they get a Google Code-In t-shirt. So that's pretty cool. But we'll also have 20 students who are going to win a grand prize trip to Google's Mountain View, California campus. And that will be for themselves and a parent next spring for about 4 nights.
Oh, I've been on this trip. It's pretty fun. So let's see. Where can they go for more information besides the website?
We also have the Google Open Source blog, and they can join the Google Code-In discussion list, where they can ask questions, and other students, mentors, and Google program administrators will answer their questions for them. So again, November 18th is the big day when students can first start claiming tasks on the contest.
Fantastic. We hope this interview spurred your interest in Google Code-In. And if you're 13 through 17, a student and interested in open source software development, we really hope you'll come to the site, learn more about it, register, and participate. It's a lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.